When someone calls you too sensitive, sometimes what they mean is, I was hoping you would not notice the emotional plot twist, because everything was fine. Then suddenly their tone changed, their replies got tiny, and their warmth packed a bag without saying goodbye. So you ask, are we good? And they say, you're being sensitive. Which is interesting, because you did not create a scene. You noticed the scene had already changed. There is a difference. You did not walk in with drama. You walked in and realized the emotional furniture had been moved 3 inches to the left, and everyone was acting like the couch had always been in the hallway. That is not sensitivity. That is awareness with decent eyesight. Now, not every strange moment needs a meaning. People get quiet. People get weird. People occasionally communicate like they are trying to send a text through a toaster. That is life. But when someone keeps switching the temperature on you, warm, cold, then acting surprised when you bring a sweater, that is not your imagination. That is a pattern with mood lighting. And the reason you're too sensitive works so well is because it makes you stop looking at what happened and start defending how you felt. Very clever, very annoying. Emotionally, a pop-up ad. Because now, instead of asking, why did your behavior change? You are stuck explaining why you were allowed to notice it. No thank you, return to sender. You are allowed to notice when kindness suddenly gets replaced with politeness. You are allowed to notice when a conversation starts feeling like walking through a room full of sleeping cats. Careful, quiet. Somehow your fault if anything hisses. You are allowed to notice when someone's words are smooth, but being around them makes your shoulders climb up toward your ears. That matters. Your body is not always being dramatic. Sometimes it is just the first part of you willing to stop making excuses. So no, being perceptive does not make you difficult. It means you are awake inside your own life. And if someone needs you confused in order to feel comfortable, that is not a sensitivity problem. That is a them problem with very nice packaging. Comment noticed if you have ever been called dramatic for reacting to the shift they caused.